All right, now we're going to look at it from the other side. You contract for a globally recognized science and engineering firm. The firm and contractor have reported abnormal wear on parts. The parts that you manufacture and you maintain for this company is single use, meaning you use it once and you throw it away. It has started to partially disintegrate after use. It's not supposed to do that. When and how disintegration occurs is unclear. This suggests that the life expectancy is less than 50% of what's expected. That is to say, the globally recognized science and engineering firm set a 10 to 20 year requirement. You ran a bunch of tests showing that you met said requirement, but now, based off of this disintegration, you don't even think you can reach 5 years. However, what's left is still several times higher than the firm's actual requirement. So in this case, your initial set of tests said the hardware lasted 10 to 20 years. New set of tests says now it lasts for 5 years. However, the science and engineering firm says, well, we only needed it to last for a year. You're telling us it lasts for 5. We should be happy with that. The root cause analysis shows that the firm is using the product abnormally. That is to say, the firm said that they were going to use it one way, and if they used it that specific way, it would last 10 to 20 years. But now they're using it a different way, and it's disintegrating quickly. You request permission to do a detailed analysis of the issue, and your managers agree. During analysis, it shows this product has been used 200 times without an issue. The product never met the firm's requirement, just got really close. So this happens. So this happens in the Navy a lot. The Navy will say, we need this product to last for 10 years. In reality, they only need it to last for 1 year. But they want the contractor to design it to last for 10 years. And they'll be happy as long as they get more than a year, but they want to see how close to 10 years they can get, because long term, that's cost effective. So that's probably what happened in this case. The engineering firm said 10 years, contractor got really close to 10 years, but since they only needed 1 year, they were happy. You request that management bring this issue to the firm. Several months later, days before the product show you present to the firm, this is new information to the firm. The firm asks why they haven't seen a failure yet. You can't explain when a failure will occur, and you ask the firm to delay product. The firm directs you, the contracting company, to go pound sand. On the phone, in front of you, the firm, or your management, apologizes to the firm for your actions in front of you. Basically says, you're an idiot, you shouldn't have said that to them, this is inappropriate, you're being unprofessional, sorry firm, this guy's unprofessional, we're sorry we presented him to you. And then they direct the engineering firm to proceed as planned. So I want you to think, is this a dilemma? As an engineer, has this person been put in a rock and a hard place? Or, from an ethical standpoint, is he in the clear? He's told them, hey, you got this problem, there's a good chance it's going to happen, don't do it. Is that enough? Based off of the video we watched last week, do you think that's enough? So, first we need to determine if it's a dilemma, so let's define our viable options. You could ignore the problem. Look, you've already been paid, and they know the risk. Legally, career-wise, this doesn't really affect you. This is an option you have. You could contact higher level management and explain the issue. this may affect promotion potential. Basically, if you're wrong, management's going to treat you like a princess, a drama queen. But in all reality, it has little effect on your overall career. Being a little cautious isn't really a problem, right? Or you could blow the whistle. If you are wrong, this will end your career. It'll work. It'll get the job done. But if you are wrong, that is to say, if you use it wrong, it will end your career. And depending on the severity, could include prison time. So let's identify the stakeholders, the moral audience. You, the firm, and the contractor. From your point of view, personally, number one, do you think this is a dilemma? Or is the choice to you obvious? I want you to email me now. EGR316. Question 2. Ignore, contact management, blow the whistle. That's all I want to know. I don't need a 2-page explanation. I'm going to pause here, give you time to respond.